Hi everybody, Teri here from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercraft Facebook group. The links to those are all below. You should check them out. They're all but Sweet Pea Papers are fairly large groups, and you get a lot of interaction, and I would love to see your posts there. I also have the new Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel membership, and if you'd like to sign up for that, the join button is right underneath this video, right next to the thumbs up, which you could click too. And it's only $1.99 a month, and you get 2 live videos or 2 live sessions that I record, and you can watch at your leisure that are available only to the members. And then I also have a 20% discount for you in the coffee shop, and that includes journals. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the flip board out, or the flip through board out. So that means this is video 6 in our ink stained grunge series, which is my design team project for for Sunflowers and Doors. I'm so sorry, Mandy. And so we've got this kit that I love, and we just got it done. I just finished it maybe 10 minutes ago, and I'm filming the flip through. So we're just going to go right through. We've got just a piece of paper on top of black paper. Then we have the spine, and it's held on. The inside of the book is held in with an elastic cord. It's a 1.5 inch spine. And then we have the back, oops, with a piece of washi on it. This journal came out, the cover came out only 8 inches tall by 6. So you might want to remember that when you're doing your measurements for your cardboard. Inside cover, first signature, only signature. We've got a stuffed pocket here. Now I carried this washi theme of these particular washies throughout the whole journal. So there's some on this tag, and there's some on the page. Oopsie. I need to go back and double check those. Sometimes my washies stick. I've got some from Temu that stick like crazy. And then sometimes they get dry when you keep trying to, line them up over and over again. And so they don't stay stuck. You have to put a little bit of glue under them. On black paper, I would not use a glue stick. I would use the Fabri-Tac because you have more control of where the glue shows. This side is a belly band with a tag in it. And I put chaotic on the tag. I cut that one down. It was a small one like this one. And here's our folio shaped notepad, and I put quite a few pages in there for you. 16 total writing faces. It really is only 4, so I've made them bigger, that's for sure. This one's stapled shut. That must be why, because I didn't sew it, so I could have added more papers in if I had sewn it together. A tag. These are 2 specimen cards, and I tucked them right up in the edge of the belly band, because the belly band's a little loose. So if you have a belly band that's a little loose, tuck the whatever it is down tight. Envelope held on by a paper clip on an acetate belly band. And then you can open this up, and the card with the number 9 is on it, or is in it. The flap to the envelope goes under the belly band, and then the paper clip holds it on. This is a flap to an envelope, and I just stuck this on here. I used every single piece of ephemera except for these 2 little tags, or tabs, which I could put one right here, couldn't I? Anyway. So I'm going to find a place somewhere for those 2 little ones. So I have used every page and every piece of ephemera in this. And I actually literally had no scraps left over. I had a scrap that was, or a couple scraps that were about this wide from trimming, and that was all I had. the other side of the flap, and there's a little bitty little card that comes out here. A little stuffed grungy tuck. A giant card on this side with another pocket made out of a ticket with 2 little cards. There's the rose from the cover repeated for pattern wise. This is 3 pretend file folders. They don't fold, it's just the front side in an acetate belly band. This is another envelope that I put in here, and this is a stuffed double pocket, a single pocket tuck along the side with you know what they're called, not library cards, but they're called something else. A sideways pocket, the center, which is the paper I used for the cover, so I actually printed that one twice, I ran out, and a big pocket and another tuck. Here's the other side of the envelope, one of the envelopes, and it's got a tag in it. A belly band with a giant card for you to write on. And a pocket and a pocket. Okay, a double one. This is a envelope. The other half of the black one, the flap that we decorated. This is a pocket. There's just some washi on here as a little collage on your writing page. I added the tab to the next page, and this paper, this ticket is held on with a paper clip. The other half of the envelope, and I just put some washi on it to decorate it. This is a writing page. I may put some washi on it just so that there's something on there. I had this in here so the number 2 showed. Acetate pocket. This is actually a tab, and then I put the tab here as well. This is a corner pocket, and I added this on to make a pocket out of it. I'm saying the word pocket a lot. This one is a pocket journal. Literally. Let me get this over here, get over there. And then a black paper, then a crazy pocket. It comes here and here, and then diagonal behind it. There's a ginormous tag back here. There's a kind of a funny shaped card in there. Then there's an envelope, a bingo card, and this car all in this pocket. Then I added another pocket on and put the other car on it. And oh look, I missed something. I don't have anything to put in there. I'll figure it out. And that's the back of the signature and the back of the journal. Okay, so that's that, and it's called Ink Stained Grunge, and you can get it at the SunflowersAndDors Etsy shop, and the link to that will be right below the video in the description. And please go over there and check out her shop. She's got some really great kits. I love them, and I'm sure that you will love them too. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial series.